Stop writing complex DAX when a simple calculate function can do the job in half the time. Most beginners overcomplicate their measures. I'm going to show you the golden rule for choosing between a standard measure and a calculate override. Here I have a simple table with country and sum of sales. Now first, let me create a calculated column. I'll right-click the table and select New Column. Now I'll write the formula. Sales category equals if sales is greater than 20 million, return high, otherwise return low. Press Enter. Now the sales category column is created. Next, let me create a measure. Again, I'll right-click the table and select New Measure. Now I'll write the formula. Average sales equals average of sales. Press Enter. Notice the small calculator icon. That tells you it's a measure. Now I'll drag both sales category and AVG sales into the table. This right here is the calculated column. Look at sales category. It checks each row individually. Is this country's sales above 20 million? If yes, it says high. If not, it says low. Each row gets its own stored value, and once it's created, it does not change with filters. Now look at AVG sales. This is a measure. It does not store values row by row. Instead, it calculates dynamically based on filter context. Now watch carefully. I'm selecting Canada in the slicer. Look at sales category. It still says high. Nothing changed. Because calculated columns are fixed after the data loads. But look at average sales. The number just updated to show Canada's average only. Now, before we end, here's what really matters for interviews. Calculated columns are evaluated row by row when the data loads. They are stored in the model and increase file size. They do not change with slicers or filters. Measures are calculated at query time. They are not stored in the model. They respond dynamically to filter context. So in interviews, remember this. If the question is about row context, think calculated column. If the question is about aggregation, totals, or filter context, think measure. That's the difference interviewers are actually testing.